How to replace the pump on your COOL-SPACE portable evaporative cooler. COOL-SPACE makes changing the pump on your COOL-SPACE cooler simple. In addition to your new replacement pump, you will also need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver and a 7/16 inch wrench. Before you begin, you will need to disconnect the power supply. It is always important to disconnect any electrical unit from the power supply before performing any maintenance. There are 2 bolts securing the pad retainer bar. Using a 7/16 inch wrench, remove the 2 bolts securing the pad retainer bar and remove. Starting with the center pad, remove the cooling pads from the unit by tilting outward from the top of the pad. The pump is located at the bottom of the unit. Loosen the hose connection on the pump. Remove the washer from inside the fitting and discard the used washer. Using the screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that attach the cord retainer bracket to the pump. Gently pull the cord from the top of the pump. This will unplug the electrical wire. Carefully lift out the old pump. Verify that the electrical ratings are the same as the pump that is being replaced. Remove the fitting and save the new washer. Using the screwdriver, remove the handle and the cord retainer bracket. Set the screws aside. Remove the power cord from the new pump by pulling up on the cord gently from the top. You will notice that there is a notch on the power cord. There is also a notch on the pump socket. Line up the notch on the power cord to the notch on the pump socket. Then insert the power cord. Install the pump cord retainer bracket with the new screws you set aside from the new pump. Install the washer you saved from the new pump. Replace the outlet hose, tighten flush, and then turn an additional 3/4 turn. Be sure not to over-tighten, as this could damage the fitting. The pads are marked on the right side, with arrows indicating which end should be up and the direction of the airflow. The side facing towards the outside of the unit is black. This will help you verify that you are inserting the pads correctly. Insert the pads by first inserting the bottom of the pad, and then tilt the top of the pad into the unit. Install the 7/16 inch bolts to secure the pad retainer bar, making sure not to over-tighten the bolts. If you have any additional questions, please call COOL-SPACE Technical Support at 1-800-557-5716 or visit our website at cool-space.com.